Welcome to the best picks. The best Craftsman Shop Vac Filter is probably one of the most important accessories for your shop vacuum, ensuring optimal suction and a long lifespan for your machine. In this video, we will deep dive into the features, performance, and overall value of this filter, comparing it to other top contenders on the market and providing you with all the information you need to make an informed decision before buying one. Number 5. Kopach 17816 Filter. This heavy-duty filter is a smart investment for keeping your home or workspace clean. It offers superior quality at a price that won't break the bank. Whether you're cleaning up after a project or maintaining your garage, it's crucial to keep your vacuum's filter in top condition. Regular replacement ensures high suction power, benefiting both you and your pets. This filter is compatible with most Craftsman vacuums from 1988 onwards, 5-gallon and larger, and many rigid models. It's the perfect replacement for your old filter, ensuring peak performance. While it works with Craftsman caps, using it with a rigid vacuum requires our special adapter cap and wing nut attachments for a secure fit. These are sold separately. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions about compatibility or fitting, please contact us via our Amazon page. We're here to help you find the right product. What we like. It's a great option if you're on a budget and need a reliable replacement filter that fits both Craftsman and rigid vacuums. This filter ensures you maintain your vacuum's suction power without breaking the bank. If you prioritize value and compatibility, this is the one for you. What people say. This product fits older Craftsman wet-dry shop vacuums and is very hard to find. The Kopach replacement filter is made of high-quality materials that are designed to last. The filter is designed to fit snugly into your vacuum and provides excellent filtration performance, ensuring that even the smallest particles are captured during the vacuuming process. Additionally, the filter is easy to install, and the one-pack design means that you can quickly and easily replace your old filter without having to purchase multiple filters. Several different filters say they are 17,816 filters, but this was the only one that appeared similar to my original filter. My vacuum requires a filter which is open at both ends and mates into a plastic cap that secures the filter in place with a plastic wing nut. This filter was an exact fit. The rubber ends of the filter appear to make a secure and tight seal when secured to the filter base, and the filter appears to be of good quality. Number 4. Craftsman CMX ZVBE 38754 Filter. This filter is designed for most Craftsman shop vacuums from 5 to 20 gallons. It's easy to install and will keep your vacuum running smoothly. It's compatible with a wide range of Craftsman wet-dry vacs, manufactured in 1988 and later. Check the model number to ensure compatibility. The quick lock system makes changing this filter quick and easy. No more struggling with complicated installations. This filter is made from a washable material, so you can clean and reuse it, saving you money in the long run. Regular filter replacement is key to maintaining your vacuum suction power. Replacing it keeps your vacuum running like new. It effectively traps dirt, dust, and debris, keeping your workspace clean. It's a general-purpose filter for everyday use. What we like. If quick and easy filter changes are your priority, this filter is perfect for you. Its washable design also saves you money in the long run. This is the ideal choice for those who value convenience and want to reduce waste. What people say. It captures fine dust particles really well, which helps keep the air cleaner and safer. The filter is easy to install and fits my vac perfectly. I picked this filter because of the particle rating and the fact it is washable. So far, it has worked quite well. It was easy to install and works as advertised. Number 3. Craftsman 17816 Filter. This filter is a perfect fit for your Craftsman wet-dry vac, ensuring superior cleaning power. It's designed to easily trap dirt, dust, and debris. It's compatible with a wide range of Craftsman vacuum models, including those made since 1988 and 1992. Check the details page to ensure compatibility with your specific model. The pleated paper design provides a large surface area, making it highly efficient at trapping even the finest particles. This means a cleaner, more thorough clean every time. The detachable top cap simplifies installation. It's designed to fit securely and easily onto your vacuum. This pack contains 2 filters, providing you with a spare for extended use. You'll always have a clean filter ready when you need it. It measures 8.5 inches in height and 6.75 inches in diameter. It's made of high-quality paper for optimal performance. What we like. Looking for a cost-effective solution with superior dust and debris removal? This 2-pack offers great value and the detachable cap simplifies installation. It's perfect for those who want a long-lasting, efficient filter and appreciate ease of use. What people say. These filters fit my Craftsman 9 gallons vac perfectly, it's just a bit tight just to hold from falling and you just need a little push down evenly. I do recommend these filters. Used a smear of WD-40 on the open end seal of the filter, as well as on the lid where it contacts. Then gave it a slight twist when pushing it on. The seal is good and tight to the lid, but the nut cap that comes with it doesn't do anything to hold it on my model, it only seals for vacuum. After installing, I held the lid upside down by the filter and it didn't slide off. Seals up perfectly in my wet-dry vac and seems to have a long life. Number 2. Craftsman 9 to 17816 filter. This is the replacement filter for your Craftsman 9 to 17816 wet-dry vacuum. It's designed for 5-gallon models and ensures optimal suction. It fits perfectly in your 5-gallon Craftsman vacuum. This filter is easy to install and will keep your vacuum running smoothly. It has a diameter of 6.7 inches and is 8.3 inches tall. It weighs approximately 4 pounds. The package includes 1 replacement filter and a new retainer nut. Everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. It's simple to clean and maintain, keeping your home dust-free. It's made from high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. This filter effectively removes dust and debris from your everyday cleaning tasks. Enjoy a cleaner home with this essential replacement part. What we like. This is a simple, effective replacement filter for your 5-gallon Craftsman wet-dry vac. It includes a retainer nut for a secure fit. If you need a straightforward, reliable replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a quality-made replacement filter. Perfect fit. Cleaned the vacuum motor and fan and installed the new filter and supplied nut. You do have to work the filter the last inch or so because it fits quite tightly around the mounting flange, but it really did not take much. I'm pleased with a snug filter versus a loose one anyways. Works flawlessly. As best I can tell, this is a decent quality filter in terms of construction and materials used. I think it will perform flow and filter air as well as the OEM filter in most applications. I see no problems in performance after putting it in my vacuum. From that standpoint, suction power can be rated 5 stars. Number 1. Craftsman 9 to 38754 replacement filter. This replacement filter is designed for Craftsman 5 to 20-gallon shop vacuums, ensuring a perfect fit for your cleaning needs. It's compatible with models made in 1988 and later. It's the ideal solution for removing dust and debris from various spaces, including basements, garages, and workshops. This filter helps maintain a clean and healthy environment. Changing this filter is quick and easy thanks to the quick lock filter fastening system. Simply attach and detach it without any hassle. It's made from high-quality, single-layer pleated paper. This washable and reusable filter is 99% efficient at trapping dust and other particles. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace it every 3 to 6 months. However, more frequent changes might be necessary depending on usage and air quality. What we like. For those who want a high-quality, long-lasting filter for their 5 to 20-gallon Craftsman Shop Vac, this is an excellent choice. Its washable design and durable construction provide excellent value and performance. If you prioritize quality and longevity, this is the filter for you. What people say. Fits perfectly. Replace your filter regularly. Good solid filter, it is a tight fit on my shop vac but it's working so much better. Very good quality replacement filter for the Craftsman Shop Vac. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.